Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the AlinX token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we just want to go ahead into our Trust Wallet. So let's click on Trust Wallet. And then once we're in Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do that, I will have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things. But I already assume that you guys have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet here and that you transferred it over to your Smart Chain wallet. If you guys don't know how to transfer to your Smart Chain wallet, you just want to click on your BNB wallet right here. Click on more, and then right here at the bottom it says swap to Smart Chain. You just want to go ahead and click on that and make sure you have your balance inside of your Smart Chain wallet that you want to see on Pancakeswap. Anyhow, all we have to do once we have our BNB inside of our Smart Chain wallets here is just head over to CoinMarketCap. I'll have a link in the description for that. And all we have to do there is get the contract address and then paste it inside of our Trust Wallet. So if you guys just head over to the CoinMarketCap link I have in the description, and I'll show you guys where to copy. So if you guys just head right here, you just want to go down to where it says contracts, and then all you have to do is go beside where the copy button is right here and just click on that little copy button. Once you guys have copied it, you can just head back into Trust Wallet and open that back up. Now, once you're back in Trust Wallet here, we just want to navigate to the top right of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. Then you just want to click on the top search here and paste that contract address in. Then we should see this Add Custom Token sign here. So you just want to click on Add Custom Token. And then at the top network, we just want to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. And then once we see the Smart Chain right there, we just want to paste our contract address right here, and everything else should preload in for us. And once we have everything preloaded in, we can just go up to the top right corner and click on Save. Once it is saved inside of here, we are now ready to go over to Pancakeswap. So I'll have a link in the description as well as in the comment section down below for Pancakeswap as well. So you guys should just head over there and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on Pancakeswap here, all you have to do is go to the top right of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you click on Connect Wallet here, we're just going to have to click on Trust Wallet. So you just go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then right here, we're going to have to click our Trust Wallet one more time. So we just go ahead and click that one more time. And then it's going to open up our Trust Wallet here, asking us to connect our wallet. So we want to make sure we click on the Connect button and then head back over to our Pancakeswap here. And then we'll know our wallet's connected on Pancakeswap when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. Now, for whatever reason, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB right here, you just want to ensure that you have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet, or else it will not show up here. But if you're good there and you have your balance, all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency, and we can paste that same contract address we got from CoinMarketCap right in here. And right here, we'll see the AlinX token. So we just go ahead and click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now, once we're good to go here, all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. So I didn't see any distinct number for the slippage tolerance for this token, so we could just try and play around with it. So you just want to change your slippage tolerance by going to this little settings gear right here and click on that. And then right here, you can see under slippage tolerance. Now, obviously, you want to use the lowest slippage tolerance that you possibly can. So you could start off by using 1% and work your way up to maybe 3%, then 5% if the transaction does not go through. But obviously, you want to use the lowest slippage tolerance that you can so you get the best transaction and the best swap that you can get. So let's just say, for example, we're going to leave it on 1%. So we could exit out of here. And all I have to do is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the AlinX token. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to do 1 BNB. I could type that in here. And then it will show me the amount I should get, estimated that I should get at least for my 1 BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with what you see here, you can click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should just be telling you right here to swap. And then the next page is going to basically show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. So if you guys are happy with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. And then as long as your slippage tolerance was good to go, you should get a successful transaction notice. And once you receive that notice, we can just exit out of here and right back into our Trust Wallet. And then your tokens should arrive here usually within a couple of minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the AlinX token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.